Hello and welcome back. It's been a while. It's been a crazy year, right? So I haven't been on as much. I will try to be on more. I'm just gonna post when I want to post, and hopefully you'll be here to enjoy it, right? So today we're gonna do an unboxing video. I got some mail. It's fun mail, so I want to go ahead and share it with you. So I got an Ipsy bag. I stick with my bi-monthly, actually bi-monthly, every other month, my bi-monthly bag, and I got a bag for the month of December. So this is a December unboxing, and I'm Sunny. Ooh, okay, so ooh, look at the bag. It's like a sheep. Oh, you fancy Ipsy, okay, cute. Cute, making their own bags. These are perfect little bags, I love these. One thing that is not in the bag, which we'll show first, is, what is this? Confidence in a Cream, Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream, Anti-Aging. How did they know what I like? Because I told them what I like. Okay, this is cool. Moisturizes a cream. Developed with plastic surgeons, Confidence in a Cream is your recovery moisturizer that truly transforms your skin. Perfect for all skin types, even the most sensitive. The proprietary anti-aging armor rejuvenating concentrate is activated upon contact to immerse your skin in moisture and restore visible radiance, reduce the look of pores, discoloration, lines, wrinkles, and improve the look of firmness. You'll see powerful results instantly and dramatic results over time. Well, I'm interested. Let's put it on. Let's see. Oh, okay, cute. They give you a little taste, and then they get you hooked. Let's see. Can you see? Confidence in a Cream. Well, if you don't know me, I'm pretty confident already, but I could use some in a cream. Always use the ring finger, it's a little softer. Ooh, okay, let's put some on her face. I don't have any makeup on, so I am okay with trying a moisturizer. Moisturizers are amazing. And Ipsy is a good way to try different products at a really decent price, and they send it right to your door. I like this this sealing aspect. You know, it's like it locks on there, because you know the kids can get in there and ruin your creams. I've had mine ruin good stuff. Okay. It smells nice. Am I radiant? Let me know in the comments below. Am I glowing? I like it. It feels good. I like it. All right, let's open up this bag. So that was nice. It was like, hey, put this moisturizer on, get ready, open up the bag. Okay. Before we open up the bag, I got another piece of mail that I have been waiting for. Let's see. Boy, I hope this is what I think it is. It is. Y'all, if you didn't know, I have a podcast, Book of Lies podcast. A few episodes ago, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm a hottie. Megan Thee Stallion. I got a shirt, Megan Thee Stallion. Good news. Real hot girl news. I love it. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm an old lady, but I still love this woman. She's doing her thing. Go ahead, girl. Get you. And I got a shirt, so let's wear it. Oh, watch out. Oh. Oh. my gosh. Okay. Let's open the bag. So we're gonna open the bag, and we got the card. Comes with a nice little informational card. It'll tell us what's in the bag, but I don't want to ruin the surprise. So let's see what we got next. Next, okay, it is a foundation. So skin-based foundation. Looks like it's for me. We'll see. So this one is the Illuma Mask Foundation in 15. The award-winning foundation is loved by editors, influencers, and makeup artists for its ability to create flawless complexion, lightweight, and supremely blendable. It won't ever look thick or cakey on your skin. The formula is tested in HD environments to look like a second skin. Tip, use a pea-sized amount of foundation. Oh, actually, a pea-sized amount of foundation is all you need. A little goes a long way. So we'll try this sometime. I don't feel like doing that today, but thank you. All right, let's see what we have next. Ooh, yes. Okay, we got some Marc Anthony True Professional Strictly Curls Curl Defining Lotion. I am for it. Okay. It's a humidity shield, define and lock in soft, frizz-free curls. All right. Is this a conditioner? Directions. Apply to palm of your hands, rub together, and evenly work through wet hair using fingertips. Okay. So, I rock the natural. I actually washed my hair and I just twisted it out and then I threw it up in my puff cuff. Shout out to Puff Cuff. I love these things, but I threw it up in a puff cuff, but I'll probably maybe try some of this tomorrow to see what it does with my hair because I love hair products. So this I'm very excited about. Okay, Marc Anthony True Professional Strictly Curls Curl Defining Lotion. Consider this multitasking lotion a one-way ticket to the best curls of your life. Get it? It's infused with vitamin E and silk proteins to give curls major control and definition, but without any stickiness or crunch. It even repels humidity to keep frizz and flyaways in check too. Okay. For a curl refresh, mix with water in an empty spray bottle, then mist. All right, so I'm excited about this. So I'm definitely going to use this tomorrow. Okay, what else do we have? Ooh, it's a small one. All right, let's see. Okay, so this is Hey Honey. It's called Hey Honey. Good Morning Honey Silk Facial Serum. All day nourishing for all skin types. Ooh, okay, so what's this about? Okay, so Hey Honey, Good Morning Honey Silk Facial Serum. There's nothing sticky about this honey-infused serum. Luxurious, lightweight, and silky smooth, it feels like an oil. A natural healer, honey speeds up cell growth to leave skin soft, bright, and glowing, while hyaluronic acid and silk amino acids hydrate and boost glow. To quench thirsty skin, smooth and gently press over your face to help absorb the serum. So my skin's not really thirsty. I did put on the Confidence in a cream. I put on the Confidence in a cream. Should I put this one on? Let's see what the Confidence... So I want to put this on my face. Let's smell it at least. The decisions. Ah, it's sealed. Cool. That's good though. That's good that it's sealed. All right. So let me read about the Confidence in a cream because we just put it on our face, right? We didn't even read about it. So the Confidence in a cream, want to keep your glow going through winter. This quick absorbing super cream is clinically tested to give skin a healthier, more radiant appearance. All thanks to the combo of skin quenching vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, choline, oatmeal, shea butter, ceramides, and more. Smoothest moisturizer onto clean skin and neck, upward in sweeping motions. So you're supposed to go like this. I don't know. I have no idea. But this is for like thirsty skin. So, it's winter time, and I see why they would send these to us, because our skin is so dry. And, in the morning it's dry, and like at night after you've done your routine, it feels kind of dry. So this would probably feel like super amazing on the face to just quench. I have to try it, and I have to try it with you guys. I need to. I don't care. I'm doing it now. I'll put it all on my face. As long as you put it in layers. Let's see. Let's go with my forehead because it's so big. Ooh, that feels nice. Okay, another dry spot. I go with my chin. Did this one say a pea-sized amount? Because I need more. I want all of it. Ooh, that feels great. Oh yeah, this is nice. This is very nice. And when your face is moisturized, the lines don't come in. You know, the crow's feet, the smile lines, the forehead lines, all that stuff. It all comes in. It's going to happen no matter what. But you can take care of your skin. Right? This is good stuff. I'm excited about this. This is definitely going to go in my bag. I think we got something else. One more thing. Okay. We got a lippy. Beauty for Real lip gloss shine in nudist. So it's a nude color. We'll see how it looks. It's high shine, hydrating, and has a minty feel that's so refreshing on your lips. This may just be your new go-to winter gloss. It's infused with aloe vera and avocado oil for long-lasting moisture, and grapeseed oil and grape tea extract to protect and deliver essential vitamins to your lips. Swipe onto bare lips over your lipsticks, or mix it with lipstick for a sheer stain. Okay, baby, let's see what we do. Really excited about this. All right, let's see. Oh, it is pretty nude. All right, let's see. Go bottom. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Oh yeah, that feels good too. I like it. Oh, that feels really good. That's nice. This is my new go-to. I'm gonna keep this in my bag. Oh my gosh. So, I think that's everything. The bag's empty. Thanks for coming. Thanks for joining me. Subscribe, come back. Maybe check out my first unboxing video right here. And whatever else you'd like. I'm Sunny again. This is my channel. Come back. And thank you for joining me. And everything in here is so clutch for the winter time. So that was a very thoughtful bag. I love the way Ipsy thinks about the season and what your body might be going through, because it's dry. My lips feel amazing. That's important to me. My skin is important to me. And why not have like a nice little foundation? And my curls will be popping. So thank you, 2021, here I come. And thank you for joining me. Please subscribe, come back.